How to play Free Fire on PC or laptop. First, all you have to do is open your browser. I got Google Chrome here, it's my favorite one. And then go to Google. And here in the search engine, search for Game Loop Free Fire. Here. And then open this one. Download Free Fire Android on PC. It should be from gameloop.com. So open this one here. And now click on download. This would download the launcher of Free Fire for your PC. So it's been successfully installed because it's very quick. Now let's go and open here, click on show all, show in folder. In here, give it right click, choose open or run as administrator, click here, and then give it the permission, choose yes. And here click install. Just wait, it's installing the game loop. That takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so the game loop successfully downloaded here. Installing game loop, just wait a couple of seconds once again. Here click on start. In here, as you can see, game loop. Just let's break this down. Okay, so here's the launcher of game loop. So once the game loop launcher open, here Free Fire will be downloaded. It's about 1 or 2 gigabytes, so just you need to wait until this download gets done. Okay, so here the game has been downloaded. We're just waiting to get it done. So that also could take some seconds, and yeah, here, just click on OK. This should be the game itself, just so far 24%. Okay, so now here, the game has been downloaded successfully. Here, just click on play now. And it could be better if you even have joysticks to use them to play this game. And here, just click on next. These are some instructions. We can maximize the screen here. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.